Hello guys, welcome to Easy Phone Tricks, the home of all your phone solution. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to connect your AirPod Pro or any type of AirPod you are using to your iPhone 6. I hope I'm making sense here, right? Okay, so when it comes to connecting of iPod to the iPhone, is pretty simple. You need not to stress yourself. Just make sure you watch to the end. Never skip any part of this video because if you do, you are going to be missing some very important parts from the video and you might not get it right. So stick with me to the end and make sure you subscribe for more improvements so that the channel can grow. I can also be able to drop new tricks each and every day for you guys. So let's come to the screen. What we have to do for the first time, when you need to connect your iPod, what is very important is that you take note of this our iPod that we'll be using to connect to the iPhone 6. You can see when I open it, there's a green light that pops up here. So let's close it back. So what we have to do first, you have to go to your settings on your iPhone 6. After going to your settings, you make sure you go all the way down and you come to general. After the general, you click on the software update. Because this phone does not have an internet connection, I might not be able to access it properly like you guys will do on your phones. But let's not stay long over here. Let's go back real quick and show you. So that's the first thing you have to do. Bear that in mind. You have to check for your software update. When you have an update, make sure you update your phone so that your phone can be able to proceed with the procedures that we are doing right now. So after you're done with that, the step two is what you are going to be looking for. You will look for the Bluetooth column right here, and then you make sure you turn it on. After turning the Bluetooth on, you wait for a while to search for this device, the AirPod. So let's open it and see whether our iPhone can be able to detect. Okay, so here is a TWS. That's the name of my AirPod that I'm holding right here. So let's close it and see whether it will show up here. Okay, it's still there. So right now, what we are going to be doing, we just have to click on the TWS for it to be connected. Let's wait a little bit. So okay, they're successful. So let's open it and try one more time. Okay, so for you to be able to connect your iPhone 6 to the AirPod Pro that I'm holding, you have to make sure you open it up whilst connecting. You open it up before it can get connected. When you close it, it might not get connected. You guys can see it from my screen. When I close it, there's no more connected. But when you open it up like this way, it can. When you click on it right now, you guys can see that it's connected. So that's how to access and go about it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you give me a thumbs up, you share this video to your loved ones for them to know more about these tricks. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you in my next video. Bye bye.